So basically, I'm gonna show you a picture. You have to guess which character and what Blizzard game it's from.
Okay.
Ooh, alright.
How well do you guys think you're gonna do?
Really well.
He'll do really well.
Yeah.
Super bad.
Super bad. Really bad. I don't know anything about World of Warcraft, so I don't.
Is it Varian or is it Uther?
I don't know. What's your answer?
It was very.
Probably Uther.
Remember, it's game and character.
This is a Warcraft 3 kit. Warcraft. That.
Warcraft is right, but it's Arthas.
Arthas?
Arthas, dude.
Oh, that's pre-Lich King Arthas.
Arthas.
Whenever I see a paladin, I guess he's blonde, so.
You guessed 2 names and neither of them were right.
I know. Varian has a sword. Uther has a hammer, but I guess he's older.
I think it's Paladin? No.
Arthas? No, he doesn't have a hammer.
I have no idea. World of Warcraft.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, that's World of Warcraft.
Arthas from World of Warcraft.
Yeah, see? Arthas.
I got a point.
Yes.
Yeah, 1 point.
That's... Is it Uther or Arthas?
Oh god. I don't know, I never played World of Warcraft.
No, it doesn't look like Uther. It's the son of Uther.
Yeah. Is that Arthas? Is that the son of Uther?
I think so.
I think we'll go with Arthas.
Okay,
Yeah,
Arthas
let's
from-
do it.
From
World of
I mean,
Warcraft.
or Warcraft. Whatever.
Arthas.
Nice.
Nice, let's go.
That's 2.
+2,
Nice,
big,
nice.
big. We're starting off on the right foot. That's a newer character. I know she's the Hearthstone one, right? But that's Heroes of the Storm, obviously. But isn't she the same character in Hearthstone? What the hell's her name?
She's got like the swords. It looks like a Halo sword.
You know what I'm talking about, right? Though she's like she's the rogue in Hearthstone.
Yeah, I don't know.
What the hell's her name?
I don't know her name.
It's like Illyria or something. Is that it from Heroes of the Storm?
Do you final answer?
Let's go with
Yeah.
Heroes of the Storm.
Heroes of the Storm, Valera.
Valera.
Oh,
I have no idea.
that's from Hearthstone. Rogue. Or
Oh, yeah,
World of
Rogue.
Warcraft. Rogue.
Hearts.
What?
No.
Oh, Heroes of the Storm.
Oh yeah, Heroes of the Storm.
I
I don't know.
oh, wait,
I don't play Heroes
Valera.
of the Storm.
Valera.
Valera from Hearthstone.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's Valera.
Yeah,
Easy.
yeah. Valera
What
Singular.
game is that from? World of Warcraft, obviously.
Yeah, I guess it's World of Warcraft.
Or
But I mean,
Warcraft.
this photo is from Heroes of the Storm.
Yes, that's true. That's true.
So technically, all these heroes are from Heroes of the Storm. But Valera Singular from World of Warcraft, I guess.
Or Heroes of the. I
Or
mean, do we
Heroes-
have to answer?
Yeah,
it? 'Cause
actually,
that's
tough
from Heroes
because
of the Storm.
they're Blizzard loves reusing their IP.
Like that
so-
is absolutely the model from Heroes of the
Yeah,
Storm.
yeah, exactly. So that individual image, we're gonna
Yeah.
go with Heroes of the Storm.
Yeah.
I'd say.
Heroes of the Storm.
Let's go. Let's go.
What do you think?
Is it Arthas again? That's my answer. I don't know.
Is your answer? Should we just give it to him? I guess Moira
Do we
from
get a hint?
Overwatch.
Overwatch.
Just get that out of the way.
That was gonna be Lost Vikings.
Moira
Moira.
Overwatch.
Yeah.
Easy.
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 Okay, this
Okay.
is a little
Moira,
bit Moira
Overwatch.
from Overwatch. Big, very big.
nice easy one for us.
A little bit of a gimme for the boys.
It's Chen.
From Warcraft. You gonna help?
I don't.
Like at all?
No.
Why are you
The
even
characters.
Here? Like why?
I'm
is he
gonna
here?
leave. I'm gonna leave.
Just leave.
It's like a mirror image.
You
That's
help
why I'm
with
here.
Moira,
That's why I'm
at
here. There you go.
That's from World of Warcraft.
World of Warcraft. I
But-
don't know the character, like Panda Dude or something. Panda Dude. Some panda guy. I don't know. You don't know?
Wait, let me think. Makun? No. No, that's from different game.
I don't know.
Lord Valket Show.
It's. I mean, all right. Well, definitely World of Warcraft.
Yeah, I have no idea.
But
who
I
it is,
don't
though.
know. It's just a panda. It's all I've got is a panda.
I'm trying to think of any panda names.
I
that
know nothing. Kung Fu Panda.
Dude, I even played Miss Pandaria, but yeah, I have no clue.
I don't know.
Let's go with I don't know. Strong Stout Brewmane.
Strong Stout Brew, man. That's a good one. That's very. You know, the odds are good for us.
Yeah.
And that's a good guess.
Yeah.
Of all the guesses we could guess. Chet Storm Stout.
Wow,
Well, hey, we
cool.
got a stout. We got like one.
Yeah, sheesh.
We got like one root word.
Oh, I mean, it's StarCraft. I don't know his name.
I don't know his name.
That's my final answer.
StarCraft, don't know his name.
StarCraft, Gerard de Gaulle.
Because I got the game right.
You're supposed to be good.
I know.
Trivia.
Apparently not.
What?
That's from Destiny.
You sure?
Vladimir
No, it's
Vlad-
Blizzard game, right?
Yeah, Destiny is a Blizzard game.
Oh, it's Activision.
No, it's not. It's on Battle.net.
Yeah, but it's from Activision. It's isn't that from Overwatch?
Oh wait, is that
Maybe from the
Zarya clip?
or the the Sombra? I don't know.
Or Sombra? I have to say it's from Overwatch. I don't know the dude.
I don't know either.
Gerard de Gaulle from StarCraft.
Oh. Oh yeah, I forgot about StarCraft. I totally forgot about StarCraft.
Unlucky.
Okay, yeah, that's a tough one. That's from StarCraft, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, but that's from like StarCraft 1, I think.
Is it?
Look at the model detail. It looks low, but like maybe not.
He looks pretty high detail, I think.
I played through. I mean, all of Wings of Liberty and all
Me
of
too.
like Heart of the Swarm.
Yep.
But
I don't remember who that is.
yeah, I don't have. But I think you're definitely right on with the StarCraft.
Let's say that's Raynor in 40 years.
Elderly Raynor, General Raynor.
From StarCraft 2. We don't have a real
We got
name
StarCraft
yet,
2
so-
for sure.
Gerard de Gaulle from StarCraft.
Gerard de Gaulle would have never gotten it. Not even close.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know that. What, like, do I have to know her real name? Obviously it's the wizard from Diablo 3. Obviously. But you know, I don't know her name at all. I'll call her wizard.
Wizard.
Li Ming from
Li-
Heroes of the Storm.
Oh, it looks like Diablo 3 to me.
Well, you know what? You're 0 for 2 on that one. So.
She's based off of Diablo 3 character though, so that's half a point.
Right. Ooh, I know that. That's from Heroes of the Storm.
Heroes of the Storm.
Hexmaster? That's my final answer.
I don't play Heroes.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Yeah, final answer.
Li Ming from Heroes of the Storm.
Leaning?
That is Li Ming, I believe.
Li Ming
From,
from
Heroes of the
yeah,
Storm?
Heroes of the Storm for sure.
Yeah.
Li Ming.
Nice.
Easy.
I don't know.
I guess the only one I would know, I would say Nova from StarCraft or
All I know
Here's
is
the Storm
StarCraft. I would
or
go.
StarCraft.
I don't know none
I'll go with Nova. It's the only one I know.
StarCraft, Sarah.
Sarah.
Actually, I think
Kerrigan? Sarah Kerrigan?
Kerrigan, yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's
I actually knew
that's
that.
the pre-Zerg one.
Yeah,
the
yeah.
Zerg one is the one that you would think of when you think of Kerrigan.
No, I actually should have guessed that. Nova from StarCraft 2.
I guess, yeah.
Yeah, Nova.
No,
No, wait, that's
wait,
the-
wait. I don't know the world.
Okay, so
Not
that's
StarCraft 2, so
it's StarCraft 2. It's
No.
it's the sniper chick who was working with the Seagull guy.
he says no. He says
Oh,
no.
Kerrigan.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Sarah Kerrigan from StarCraft.
Yeah.
Oh, it's from StarCraft.
Yeah,
I
it's
don't
from
know.
StarCraft. I remember that.
Oh, I know. I know
This
that.
is Sarah Kerrigan from
Yeah.
StarCraft.
StarCraft 2. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter, but yeah.
Sarah Kerrigan.
Yeah.
You're right.
Nice.
Get it.
I think we failed.
Yeah.
We got Moira.
Wait,
You
that-
wouldn't even have gotten Moira.
That character
You would have said Moria.
is based off of a Diablo 3 character. So like that's a derivative work. Obviously you're gonna go off the original, which is Diablo 3.
You guys got 9.
9
Out of what?
Out of
16?
14.
14.
That's good.
We did good.
12 out of 14.
Let's get it. Let's
Yeah.
go.